So, you've set up your Facebook, your Instagram, Twitter, you're on Pinterest too, not to forget LinkedIn, and you've been getting active with your social posts. But the time taken to create and post content on 5 different platforms is starting to add up. And not only that, but you're always flicking between the apps to check the response and reply to interactions. It takes forever. There must be some other way, you think? And there is. Hootsuite is the world's best known social media management system. It lets you manage any number of different social media channels, all from one place. They're easy to use platform. And by manage, I mean more than just plan, schedule, and post your content. You can also monitor interactions with your posts on each social media site right there from within Hootsuite, helping you to respond instantly to comments or messages. With so many different channels to keep tabs on, it's no wonder so many businesses use Hootsuite to manage their social media. Hootsuite allows you to post the same content to different channels at the same time, in just one click. But beware of replicating your content across channels, since your Facebook strategy should be different from your Twitter strategy. If your content is different across channels, simply plan and schedule posts in advance and you'll be all sorted for the next month. What about if you have multiple people looking after your social channels? Well, Hootsuite is great if you have a few members of your team helping out. Firstly, it eliminates the need to share passwords among your team so you can help keep your accounts secure. And secondly, you can delegate responsibility to team members. For example, by assigning them to respond to certain messages or comments. No more double ups or double checking whether a message has been responded to. Hootsuite works on all popular browsers and has a selection of apps that can help keep you on top of things on the go. All you need is an internet connection. Oh, and I bet you're wondering whether it gives you any insights or stats. It sure does. At the end of each week, you'll receive an email from Hootsuite stating number of post clicks per day, geographical information on people clicking through, top referrers to your channel, most popular links. With a free plan, as well as a 30-day free trial available on their paid plans, you'd be smart to give this one a go. Head to hootsuite.com to get started.